Good day everyone. In today's video, we have a circle that is inscribed in an equilateral triangle. We're given the radius of the circle to be 2 root 3. Here's the center of the circle. From this point to this point is the radius of the circle, and we can take that to be 2 root 3. Now, the base of the triangle is tangent to the circle, and the radius of a circle intersects a tangent to a circle at 90 degrees. So here is 90 degrees. Now, the equilateral triangle has three sides to be equal, and each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. So here is 60 degrees. Here is also 60, and here is also 60 degrees. And we are asked to find the area of the equilateral triangle. So to find the area of a triangle, it is half base times height. So we need to know the base of the equilateral triangle from here to here, and we need to know the height. Now, in an attempt to find the base of the equilateral triangle, we're going to draw a line from the center to bisect one of these equilateral angles. Good. Alright, we know that the whole of the angle here is 60 degrees. So when the green line bisects the angle, then this is going to become 30 degrees. Now we have a triangle. Let's redraw that triangle. So we're going to have something like this. Now we have the triangle. Now in this triangle, we have angle 30, we have angle 90, and the sum of angles in the triangle is actually 180 degrees. So therefore, here is going to be 60 degrees. Alright, so we need to figure out what the base of this triangle is. So I'm going to label it as y. Let me assign the letter y. So once I know y, I'll just double it to get the length of the base of the equilateral triangle, because the radius of the circle actually divides the base of the equilateral triangle into two equal parts. So we are going to use trigonometry ratios to find y. That's our so, ka, tua. So which of these trigonometry ratio are we going to use? Now let us erase angle 60 for the sake of clarity. Now with respect to angle 30, here is the opposite side. 2 root 3 is the opposite side, and y is the adjacent side, while the green ink is the hypotenuse side. So we need a trigonometry ratio that has the opposite side and the adjacent side, and that is 2. So we're going to have tan 30 degrees is equals to opposite, which is 2 root 3 divided by adjacent, which is y. What is tan 30? Tan 30 is 30 degrees is a special angle, so tan 30 is 1 over 1 divided by root 3 is equals to 2 root 3 divided by y. So we're going to cross multiply now. 1 times y is equals to 2 root 3 times root 3. So 1 times y is y. 2 root 3 times root 3, that's root 9. And root 9 is what? 3. And that's going to be 2 times 3. That is 6. So y is equals to 6 inches. Okay, so here is our y. Our y is 6 inches. Here too, y is 6 inches. So the total length of the base of the triangle is actually what? 12 inches. So we have our base to be 12 inches. So let's write it somewhere. 12 inches. So the next step we're going to take is to find the height of the triangle. Okay, so how do we go about that? So let's join the center of the triangle to bisect angle 60 at the top here. Okay, so let's have it. Good. So then this is now 30 degrees. That's 30 degrees. So if we know the length of the red line, then we are going to add it to 2 root 3, and that will give us the height of the triangle. So we're going to join the center of the circle to a point on the circumference. Good. So that's the radius, 2 root 3. That's a radius. And when the radius intersects a tangent, it does that at 90 degrees. So this angle is 90 degrees. So we have another triangle again, and I'm going to draw that one out. So here we have our triangle. So what we want to do now is to find the length of the red line. Yeah, we need the length of the red line, and we can assign the letter to that. Let us assign C to that. To find C, we are going to recall the trigonometry ratios. That's so, ka, twa. Alright, C is the hypotenuse side, okay, and 2 root 3 is the opposite side. This side is opposite angle 30. So we need a trigonometry ratio that has the opposite side and the hypotenuse side, and that is so. So, and that's sine 30. Sine 30 is what? Opposite, which is 2 root 3, divided by hypotenuse, which is C. Sine 30 is half, that's 1 divided by 2 is equals to 2 root 3 divided by C. Okay, so let's cross multiply. 1 times C, that's C, then 2 times 2 root 3, and that is going to give us 4 root 3. So this is 4 root 3. So C is equals to 4 root 3. I'm going to do some cleaning now. So this red line is actually 4 root 3. That is from this top here to this place. That's 4 root 3. And from here down here is 2 root 3. So the height of the triangle is 4 root 3 plus 2 root 3. So the height of the triangle is 6 root 3. So we have the height to be 6 root 3, and we have the base to be 12. Now let's take the area of the triangle. That is half multiplied by base multiplied by height. So we have half, the base is 12, and the height is 6 root 3. So this is 12 times 6 root 3 divided by 2. So 2 here 1, here 6. So this is 6 multiplied by 6 root 3. So we have our final answer to be 36 root 3 square inches. Thank you so much guys for watching.